Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we're gonna be cooking curry chicken foot, and in my bowl I have my chicken foot. I wash it with lemon juice and vinegar. In this bowl I have my dry ingredients. I have half a teaspoon of curry, half a teaspoon of garlic plus, half a teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and all seasoning salt, and a little bit of easy spice chicken seasoning. In my other bowl over here I have a large onion, 3 stalks of green scallion, and I have 1 medium potato. I need the sauce to be thick, so I put a potato inside, and I have a little scotch bonnet pepper. So now I'm gonna season my chicken foot and get it ready for the pot. Okay guys, so now I'm adding my dry ingredients first. And I'm gonna rub it up a bit. And today I'm gonna eat cooked breadfruit with my chicken foot. So now I'm gonna add my wet ingredients now. And I'm gonna get it rubbed in. Oh, I forget my time. I have to go out in the garden and get a little bit of time now. I forget that one. It's okay. So okay guys, I want you to tell me how you cook your chicken foot, or how you make your curry chicken foot in the comment box, please. Please comment, and don't be shy. I would like to work with you guys as a family and to see how you guys cook your chicken foot. So my pot is here on medium heat, and I have 2 spoonfuls of oil inside. So I'm just waiting on it to hot and to add my chicken foot to the pot, okay? Okay guys, so now my pot is hot. So I'm gonna add my my chicken foot to my hot oil. Okay guys, I use a half a cup of water. I'm gonna throw inside before I cover it, and this will take at least 45 minutes to cook, okay? So guys, I'll get back to you in 45 minutes. Okay guys, so now my chicken foot is completely finished. I'm gonna share out some now to eat. So I will just show you the finished product I'm gonna have for my supper. And guys, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month, so I would like you guys to help me out. Share to your friends, your family, and please comment in the comment box so I could know how you do your curry chicken with your breadfruit and avocado, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Thank you. Love you all. Bye bye.